Do you know any air vehicles that are good? Wait, I'm just gonna get the most expensive one. How about that? Wait, get away in case this is... Oh, fuck! That's not an air vehicle.
That's not an air vehicle. That is a boat. And you just wasted your money.
No, I didn't. Damn it.
Oh my god, Ghost. What the hell are you doing? No, just push me from behind. The wire will just snap.
No, won't. Especially with 2 players driving the vehicle. Damn it, this is too hard. Wait, you gotta get in it. No, it's too far, like it. Whoa! Whoa! What the What just happened?
Oh my god!
No! Fuck.
What the fuck just happened? The fuck?
Scared.
Ghost, are you alive?
Yeah. Oh,
Oh look! So wait.
What the fuck
Wait,
just
what the
happened?
fuck is this?
We're gonna use 2 cars to get this thing out.
Nope. We're gonna use 2 cars to drive off the cliff. Fuck the boat.
But I bought it for so much money.
I don't care. That was your idiocy. I'm going.
No.
Mile High Club. Away! Hello.
For today.
Okay. I want to watch you. Someone's going to our base.
No.
I see it, right? Oh shit!